You got the cash? I told you, I want cash up front. I don't care if it's a check. Sean doesn't like it, he can come down here and I'll sock him one right in the face. He can do his own dang videos. You got a check? All right. Oh, Merry Christmas, boys and girls. TheMetalFinisher.com and Blue Dog have asked me if I would host their new series, The 12 Days of Christmas. And what is that, you ask? Well, as you all know, Santa in less than 3 weeks will be squeezing his fat ass down your chimney, leaving you some presents, eating those nasty cookies you lay out, and carrots for the reindeer. You know, while we're at it, Santa's been on a diet. We don't want your dang cookies. If you want to do your Santa a salad, leave us some change on the nightstand, or maybe a 12-pack of Zimas. But anyways, back to the new series, The 12 Days of Christmas. They'll be packing in 12 short videos showing all you blasters some tips, you metal finisher some process reviews. So stay tuned for episode 1. Alright, thank you Santa, and welcome back to TheMetalFinisher.com. And as Santa told you, today we're starting our new series, The 12 Days of Christmas. I don't think we're going to be having that fat ass back here again though. He's got quite the attitude problem. Today being the first episode of 12, and today is the 12th day of Christmas. We'll have 11 more after today. But today we're going to take a piece of cold rolled steel down to the lab. We're going to blast half of it in a dry suction cabinet using glass bead, a fine glass bead at 80 psi. Then we're going to go down to the vapor cabinet or the wet cabinet and do the same thing on the other side. We're going to go 80 psi there as well with a fine glass bead. Now I'm not very confident in the results we're going to get today. Once you get down to the cabinets, you're going to see the part is pretty rusted and there is some pitting corrosion I think is going to be highlighted once we blast them. But I wanted to blast dry and wet and let you take a look and decide which one you think's better. So stay tuned, we're heading down to the lab right now. Alright guys, we're back from the lab, and as you can see we did a dry and a wet process. As I suspected, with the rust removal is pretty easy, but we did have a lot of pitting corrosion and that just can't be masked with this delicate process. The dry blast kind of gave a frosty look, and then the wet blast kind of brought out the shine, which actually was bad for it because it kind of highlighted all that pitting corrosion and all the pitting inside the part. Stay tuned for more videos. Since you're on our YouTube page right now watching this video, go ahead and subscribe. Like us on Facebook. We're actually under the Mobile Blaster Facebook. And since Sean's not here again, he's on vacation or resting, making t-shirts, whatever the heck he does when he's not here, I'll give the plugs for him. Head on over to bluedogblasting.com, like him on Facebook, and also subscribe to his YouTube channel. And since he's not here to give me permission, I'm going to do it anyways. Get out and blast.